Hey beauties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Hairstyles. In today's video, we are going to be learning how to feed in cornrows. I'm also going to be giving you tips on how to achieve neat cornrows. That being said, let's get into the video. So I'm starting with freshly washed hair. Yes, and I'm going to be using these braids that I got from a beauty store here in Abu Dhabi. So these braids are really long. Yes, so I'm adding some Palmer's conditioning cream to my hair, and also I'm going to be adding that to my extensions as well. So it helps the hair not to tangle. Yes, so I'm brushing to make sure that I untangle all the tangled hair, and this is too long and I'm going to be feeding in, so I decided to cut it into two pieces, but you can see it is still really very long. Yes, so as you're preparing your braids, make sure to also add some Vaseline to your hair so that you make sure it doesn't tangle up. So I got wrist band. It helps to hold the bobby pins. It helps to hold gel. I got it from Shein. Yeah, so I'm starting at the back with some knotless braids. I'm going to be doing only one line. So you start by braiding your own hair like 2 steps, and then you add in the extensions. If you haven't considered subscribing to my channel, please consider subscribing. I do hair tutorials, specifically natural hair care, skin care, makeup tutorials. Please subscribe, tap on the notification bell so that you do not miss out on any new video. So I started by applying gel on my hair, and then I start braiding. So I braid like 2 to 3 steps, and then I start feeding in. So this is the easiest way for me to feed in my cornrows. So the index finger, it helps to like grab the extension and holds it in place. So this is the easiest way for me. There are so many ways on how you can feed it in, but I think it is very self-explanatory. If you pay attention and you see what I'm doing, I'm sure you will get it. So I continue cornrowing. And that is it. I'm going to be doing this to the rest of the video. Yes, I'm going to let you watch the video, and I'm going to be back shortly. Enjoy. So I am on my last braid, and I hope you have picked a few things. Yes, I think it is better for you to just see and learn instead of me explaining. I think it makes more sense. Yeah. So make sure you also tighten your grips to make sure you get a neat cornrow. So I am done with my cornrows. I'm going to be applying some hair mousse. So I use ORS olive oil, wrap and set mousse. The purpose of the mousse is to slick all the fly away hair, all to lay down the fly away hair. You know, when after cornrowing there are some small hair that keep standing, so it helps to make everything sleep or slick down. Yes, so I am also laying my edges. I'm not too good with dramatic edges, so that is all I can do. So I'm wrapping a satin wrap to make sure everything marinates. You can use a hair dryer for this, or let it air dry as you do your makeup. And after the makeup, this is the finished look. Okay, I mean, I really love the cornrows. So I'm also going to be spraying some La Fresh hair oil. Use any sheen spray of your choice. This helps to give the hair some extra shine and also to remove all the white casts from the hair, the white casts that come from the gel, from using gel. Yes, so some oil or some sheen spray helps to melt the white casts from your hair. And this hair is really beautiful. Let me know what you think about this hairstyle, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. I hope you have picked a leaf or learned something from this video. Bye. I'll see you in my next video. Love you. Don't forget to subscribe.